Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete all bookmarks at one click. So I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay. So first, okay. So first we have to go to the we need to go to the bookmark manager. So click on this three dot option, go to the bookmark, and here you have to find the bookmark manager. Click on it and you will see the bookmark, and there is a bookmark. You can see I have 1 2 3 4 5 bookmarks saved. If you want to delete individually, so it is very easy. Just click on this three dot option and just click on delete, so it will be delete. Okay, so if you want to select all bookmark and delete, just hit the control and A of your keyboard, control and control plus A button, then we'll select everything and you can delete from here, or just select the first bookmark and then press and hold the shift key of your keyboard and hit the down arrow, so all bookmark will be selected. If you want to select something, some bookmarks between, so just hold the control button and just click what on the bookmark which you want to deselect. Okay, so now you can hit the delete and it will be deleted. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.